boy, I feel like shot in my blood, clot that pun. Yeah, jump here.
Chick like rim belly, sip Remy meds, every case steady, one jelly, got fat like Khalid, sing sweet like berry. 16 to heavy, half a recipe and belly, send jelly for the stemmy. Brand new berry, now your face, my tasty gas, 2020 Chevy, pan it told me I send it. Make sure the ready chef cooking with the pot, if a boy and Shelly. People are ready from me at least start out the one in nine belly not a quick grass. I hit the panic, I make it a clip talk at a switch pan in nine, I'm a darling that. Boy, I got it from me that me start could I fly gas, space me no care which part. Run guy, hell me a walk witchcraft. People are ready from me at least start. Hit bust like coconut, Princey machine make gunshot soap locks. Me no gimmicks, me no smile like Joker. Press up a chigga like me a play a poker. Hands get active like soca. Kappa with them, we never use soca. Me killer them dead, none of we no sport locks. Them a expect a Benz at the pro box. Brick there, everyone up in a roadblock. Kappa swell face, something like Botox. But the boy got prison and soap drop. This craft, yeah, blood class, smoke crack. People are ready from me at least start out the one in nine, belly not a quick grass. I hit the panic, I make it a clip talk at a switch pan in nine, I'm a darling that. Boy, I got it from me that me start could I fly gas, face me no care which part. Run guy, hell me a walk witchcraft. People are dead from me at least start. Distribute so like Georgia, dark and them know that, mad cause me sure that. Panic crime me a walk with a chrome black. Left a fat boy fast with a toe tag. Send them guy even just to know God. I punk them, I pussy them, they even know bad. Them junks so them feel them immortal. 10K make a pro box portal. While them a chase me now them girl throat back. Them a chase me now them girl throat back. I steal up. Father! People are dead from me at least start out the one in I belly not a quick grass. I hit the panic, I make it a clip talk at a switch pan the nine, I'm a darling that. Boy, I got dead from me that it start could have fly gas, face me no care which part. Run guy, help me out which car. People are dead from me at least start. Kill get a dead from me singing start.
Shot in the blood, clot that pun. Jump it.
I ride in the way. Pussy jump like rabbit when the money talk. Tonya be China got it, now she love it that. Trojan me ever got it, but she love it rap. Say she wants me soul, so me coming her. Say she love it sinner, yeah she love it stars.
Check. You don't know this, your boy Gallus J. We there again. Vibes Friday, we back at it.
Sing with ease, go on your knees and sing with keys. A virgin blue, a demon grace. Breathe for the love, she know.
You don't know, say tonight mix brought to you by the artist Craft.
Easy, go on your knees and
we're gonna go down in our Craft playlist and then go to the show, right? The chat go on full up. Check in, chat, check in.
Turn up this that and me say turn up this this. Christian feel it, she go buck up in a me. Say she love this in a so me turn her in a sin. Say she have a friend, turn them in a twin. Yeah, so me grip in the can of me lungs, hanging on me head a spin. Mama sing Spanish, is another hit a bit. Pill get pop, mama sing with keys. Go on your knees and sing with keys. A virgin glow, a demon grace. Breathe for the love, she not wait for the cheese. Pill get pop, mama sing with keys. Go on your knees and sing with keys. A virgin glow, a demon grace. Do it for the love, she not wait for the cheese. A virgin glow, a demon grace. Wait for the love, she not wait for the cheese. Pussy jump like rabbit when the money talk. Tonya be China got it, now she love it rap. Trojan me ever got it, but she love it rap. Say she wants me soul, so me coming out. Say she love the sinner, yeah she love the star. Me no believe in a love, God go with that. God go with that. God go, hey, watch out now. A pill get top and mama sing with ease. Up on your knees and sing with keys.
Make we talk right now.
Demon Chris, breathe for the love and she not reach it.
As you guys just tuning in, we got a couple events that we about to shout out real quick.
Sing with virgin blue, hey, demon Chris. Breathe for the love and she not reach the trees. She not breathe for the trees. She not breathe for the streets. Body flare.
Ready, go. Like we said, people, we're there at Vibes Friday. We're back at it again. This is your boy, Gallus J on the ones and trees. Right now, we're there to promote for It's a Party, Fire Kid birthday party. That is next Saturday, Sky Lounge. You might bring the big bad artists from the 90s and the 2000s. Mr. Alexis in the building. They are Rochester, New York. Again, that is next Saturday. Sky Lounge. DJ Firegate birthday bash. People, them sell the ticket them this week is a 2-for-1 special. So who no catch them ticket this week, who no get with the duck get, you know what I mean?
Trouble. Yeah.
Oh, so we are talk again after that in a May now.
Yeah.
We have Nipples. That party there go bad.
My type of party.
Wait, they're not today Nipples. Yeah man, we're tomorrow. Nipples. Tomorrow. And Nipples. Yeah, we're going to California Blue House tomorrow night. Chuckstar, big up the whole one mafia. Upstate mafia.
Upstate mafia, yes sir.
Upstate mafia. Shout out Dre, shout out Jabby one.
Chuckstar
shout
production.
out Rasta Mike, shout out Rush them. Yep. Shout out Nate, no, shout out the whole gang. Rush on there.
Yes sir. Yeah. DJ line up bad for the one that to run pass in the place. Bad bros. Yeah. The party them active for someone look active. I like it.
Yeah, and this is something, the 25th of what that? May, April what? The Afro Flag Festival. A DJ might show that Mr. Pony Flyer again?
Yeah.
Oh my God, which month that? Next month?
Afro Flag. Yeah, 25th.
Eh? This Sunday?
Sunday.
Oh, this Sunday?
That's this weekend.
Where is that? Because we in there. Yo,
Ah,
DJ might show if you're on the
free
stream.
day,
We're going to
let's see.
fight it. I see it. Seneca Park. It's over.
Oh, it's a park.
It's
It's an
over.
outside event.
People, so where is it? So,
Okay.
alright, so I'm gonna do this in an order. But I'm work on the juggling. We're gonna forward back to the flyer them and spook word. I'm gonna read them off. Watch out. Go so
Buff. Yeah. Yo, chat, I'm clocked in, man. I'm here.
where is it tomorrow? Nipples, yo, mama. Oh, yes, you want me to pull up a California Brew House tomorrow night? Ladies, hold tight. Make good talk. You see what me hold again tomorrow night?
Mama cleaned up your pussy on your left hand side. Skin out, my dog get wild all night. Now run, boom, flip on your head, don't slide. Mama cleaned up your pussy on your left hand side. Skin out, my dog get wild all night. Now run, boom, flip on your head, don't slide. If a girl want try, tell a girl come down. Mama bumper, I go run and run, run and run, run and run. Mama bumper, I go run and run.
I used to choke on with a bumper around.
Mary had a little man, Mary had a little
Mama, you ready?
man, did him like a clown. Mama cleaned up your pussy on your left hand side. Skin out, my dog get wild all night. Now run, boom, flip on your head, don't slide. Bad, you wanna be the guy.
Ladies.
Mama cleaned up your
Ladies.
Mama says she can't hear it, son. Your body need to your pump around. Turn your pump around. Get mad for me now. Get top for me now. Rock your back, sit down on the air. Rock for me now. Catch your foot in the ear, just flip for me now. Arch your back and make it clap for the crowd.
Watch out.
I think it's called Crowd from the
Talk no spook word, talk them no.
I want you know.
Hey, mama, mad for me.
That probably sound weird on this talk before his mic. I ain't gonna lie. Ready?
Bada.
Pizza, pilla, liquor, killer, tell it, bar, sing, syrup, pana, rascla, pilla, split, filler. Lord, mama says she can't hear it, son. Your body need to your pump around. Turn your pump around, get mad for me now, get top for me now. Rock your back, sit down on the air, rock for me now. Catch your foot in the ear, just flip for me now. Arch your back and make it clap for the crowd. Get mad for me now, get top for me now. Rock your back, sit down on the air.
You know what I want you to for me, ladies? And I broke your back alone. Yeah, you know. What do I want you to ladies right now? Backers. Shout out to Supreme. Skin smooth like butt pampers, my sweet like
legs up and search. Said she want sit, mama said she want perch. Said she want transform in a something like birds. She got the glue, will make it to a curve. She got the glue, will take a soul first. Use her tongue and take your whole world. She said, tell me what you like, me type, me like free. Me say, baby, what you type, she like me. Day man, come on, tonight, call me anytime, I feel I want change. She said, tell me what you like, me type, me like free. Me say, baby, what you type, she like me. Day man, come on, tonight, free. Call me anytime, I feel I want change. Prettiest funny scenes being if a short plane. If a short planes in a teleport chain. Fuck a bird king, me make a short fade. I'm a new drop now, turn a road fade. Transform, baby, make a short sin. You a 10, you a T-bone, it's a that scale. Call me anytime, I feel I want sing. If you want sing, baby, make a cell ring. You say, tell me what you like, me type, I like free. You say, baby, what you type, she type, she like me.
We are working at chat process already. So chat, I hope y'all clocked in. It's Livevybz Friday. Tune in, like the line. Like the line. I appreciate ya, I know that. We appreciate ya.
Jesus Christ, fresh like my beard, like me baptized. Pretty like a pussy, it feel like that. Yeah, the pussy around me, not wise. Like only y'all makes you feel wrong. Caribbean, the girl of a human wine. Skin clean, she not carry no odor. Like I love you, do everything and I choke back. I love it when I choke back. Up and down, she go roll her boat. Hit that box, show her more and more. Seductive girl, can't hold her on. You know I'm stopping her. I love it when you go down. Love it when you go down. I love it when you go down. Love it when you go down. Cruising at the pussy and the liquor hands this. Taking all the muscle, this a big announce it. Make a room, hold that fit. Make a song, hold that shift. Go down, flat. Me say I'm ladies while I get some slap. My go down, no options. And I stand up on the beat while I take some back. Take somebody, girl, I'm from the inner put. Girl, a position, I can move video when we have sex. Now, cause any time, if you put that keep on my neck, I'm gonna take it off. Hold on, man, till we get up back. Oh, I love going and get off track. Close off your papa and fit up back. And if I see you with the man, yeah, kick up that. Kick up, yeah. My dash way up right out. My penis inside. Enjoy the ride, buck on the slide. And if you swallow, I'm not care. Every so good girl, put them in the air. Put them on the back and still something in the air. Listen. How for pussy, as I'm ready, if you kiss her when you fucking hook me up, rubbing up. I'm feeling body girl, and no one when my bitch have a little breast, yeah. Body take somebody girl, I'm from me in the put girl a position, and I'm moving the when we have sex. Now go send it out, if you put that keep on my neck, I'm gonna take it off. All our nights, we get up back. Oh, I love going and get up track. Close off your papa, and fit up back. And if I see you with the man, me I kick up that. Your face can't down, decline, you can't wine for me. Go for style, you can't hide for me. Money for fine, you can't hide from me. Money. Taking all the pussy and the liquor and sticks. Taking all the muscle, this a big and sit. Lick a room, you will hold that fit. Look soon now your womb, you will hold that shift. Go down, flat. Me say I'm by your knees while I get some slap. My go down, no options. And I stand up on the beat while I take some back. Take somebody, girl, I'm from the inner put. Girl, a position, we can move video when we have sex. Now go send it off. If you put that keep on my neck, I'm gonna take it off. All our nights, we get up back. Oh, I love going and get off track. Close off your papa and fit up back. And if I see you with the man, me I kick up that. My dash way up right, I get my penis inside. Enjoy the ride, buck on the slide. And if you swallow, I'm not care. If you're so good, girl, put them in the air. Put them on the back and still something in the air. Listen.
Everybody who in the chat, you You know, so with the on the block, everybody right now, you're tuning into Vibz Friday. You're there, going full of vibes. We never there last week, but we're there this week. So we know life's sweet. Rip. Come and go live up your chat right now. Come and go live up your chat right now. All of the girls them with manners to be here right now.
So, kududu, body for your pununu. Girl, I've been up in a set of who say kududu. Girl, your pussy tight, you get a prize.
All the ladies with the manners right there with manners. One of them.
Girl, your man with the grip, pussy fat, it is stiff for you. Grip it black, a chip chip, be a back skinny dip. Me taking it, put your phone face down, when the nigga ringing it. Cock up in a bikini, me na fuck the bikini. Put a cube and she who, but the pussy ficking me. Make a fuck a bimini, make a lick a pickissy. Tell us and a icky me can't take it in it. And back a Vybz, say the girl body high. Her man love for chi pum pum a office pie. Quick, alibi, tell him say the battery die. Any girl walk with 2 phone, I feel like she say.
Morning sir, tell a cocky eye.
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 Kududu, body for your pununu. Girl, I've been up in a set of who say kududu. Girl, your pussy tight, if you get a prize. Sodomite, girl, love a cocky to pull. Tell me girl a Italy, say let it a pick on me. Tell me girl a Tiffany, we stop a girl for me cocky. Italy a Tiffany, I tell me say them sick on me. To move on the figure, for me girl a lick on it. It a fi buy, cause the girl body high. Her man love for chi pum pum a office pie. Quick, alibi, tell him say the battery die. You me love a slim girl, but me give the fatty blind. She say.
Morning sir, tell a cocky eye.
She say.
Morning sir, tell a cocky eye.
She say.
Morning sir, tell a cocky eye.
She say.
Morning sir, tell a cocky
Cock
eye.
it up low, pussy fat, body big, slap it up low. Girl from your waist, man, the cocky must grow. Fling it up, then the cock it up slow. Take the stick to the crack.
Tell me last night, so this is the last time. Say you want me fuck you like you come with a rascal. Put up on the bed, for the day try to start one. Mark my words, you want something them can't find. One in a million, best pussy of all time. Love it when you dip and give me cocky in a fashion. Pussy give me joy, you know see that the past blind. Keep it real, but I play with mass man. It's such a blessing, girl. When I fuck you for the rest of my life. A blessing, girl. A blessing. It's such a blessing, girl. When I fuck you for the rest of my life. It's such a blessing, girl. Like you want the leader, girl, you want the queen. No kind, don't mean I need a girl, the pussy so clean. Like open up breed and take you out of the scheme. Put you up on the inside of a count to the green. Pussy then a blessing if you know what I mean. Turn your back way, this alone make a scream. Even when you start, so the road is the sea. King for just make up on your own, I'm a dream. It's such a blessing, girl. When I fuck you for the rest of my life. A blessing, girl.
Can I plant it?
We have no more than
Plant that to drive me crazy. Yes, I want it. To got to put
We're
this
ready.
baby. Can I plant it?
What the fuck? You're nice.
Most wanted. Anytime you bring your pussy, come and open your foot on your ass, man. Come like your vibes planted. Somebody that you most wanted. And everyone want to fuck off, I come here and make them want me. No come out of your ass, man. Then the pussy fat is like a sauce, man. Fuck around and give it out my
Yeah, so
ass.
no artist drop some new music.
Alright, believe all your lines like you can. Alright, show you need to write it off. Well, maybe through you saw the cocky off. I mean, no, girl, you are my angel. You know I want to bring me offspring. Girl, me love your pretty treasure, dark skin. I know this love is everlasting. When you back it up, it's like a movie. Girl, you move me, I'm a heartstring. Cock it up for me, flash, so we flossing. No, tap it talking, look at him brady. Watch your walking, catch your right there, son. I'm not laughing, push it all in. Pussy there, who's wanted?
I'm clocking.
Anytime you bring me pussy, come here, feel the foot of your ass. Come here like you vibes standing. Somebody that you most wanted. And everyone want to fuck off, I only girl make them want me. Look come out of your ass. Them must have me can't see you, then you did dance in a minute. Keisha said she no get the gas in a minute. Every said she no bite this nuts in a minute. Come here, so you the make the cash in a minute. Start the poor boy stuff in a minute. Me and the crocodile chip chat in a minute. Operate me up with Chris Plus in a minute. Come in there so the one face like in a minute. Hey girl, can you stop for a minute? Take off your jaws and don't come for a minute.
Manta, I pray.
A minute put that in a wink up.
Everybody in that chat, check in.
So we get friends for a minute.
A Friday night vibes, we're there.
Pussy said them a lead, stop them a minute. I saw them up, I saw them drop every minute. I'm in it, just a minute. The man and them a want is getting on the limit. Me a
hands up. She don't surrender, I gon' caress you. Best friend, yeah. You love me now, extend ya. Feel like love for the first time. Me see the girl, me get the bright vibe. Bright style, good face with the bright smile.
Really like me just when you come and vibe with us every Friday. So we there, yeah. Vibe Friday, we there. Spoobird. The people in that chat say they want one of your special freestyle.
I don't think they're gonna get that. I'm frost, bro.
Your hair look fresh.
Yeah.
What happened, bro? What's going on?
Nah, so my ear just she know. She know.
Talk about it.
I want to talk about it because she probably in the chat. But
Bucky's ear just in the chat. But before we get to that, we have to fix things. So
yeah.
Everybody, thanks for tuning in. This is another episode of Vibz Friday. I'm your boy Gaz J. Dr. Sour is out and about, but he should make his way on set soon. You don't know, say Bandit himself is here. Them let him out and take off his anchor bracelet, so him there road tonight.
Yo, people. I know y'all saw the flyer earlier. If you didn't see the flyer, but the flyer is there. Make sure y'all keep y'all gutters safe because I'm coming for them. If they're falling down, we are coming for them. And we got them quotes for y'all free. Free quotes, free estimates going out. More information coming soon. Anyways, Bandit is fully active. We're the on set. Yeah, them take out my anchor bracelet. We're there road now. Chat. Walk on in.
So like I said, people, we're there. Thanks for tuning in. Give a quick shout out to our sponsors. We have One Love Window Cleaning. We got D&K Catering. We got New York Styling. We got All In Podcast Network. And who else we have to get? We have to get anybody? No, that's about it for our sponsors.
I heard that the fried oxtails are coming soon, exclusive.
Wait, hold up. You bringing back the fried oxtails?
Yes, sir.
We didn't even eat that, but still.
Yes, sir.
We shut down the house the last time with that.
Yes,
Shout out to D&K Catering with that.
I don't know if I was supposed to say that, but it's Livevybz and exclusive over here.
Always exclusive.
We don't gatekeep.
Yeah, and
So,
we got some events that's
people
coming up.
People look out for the
we want
fried
to get into the
oxtails.
nitty-gritty of some of these events coming up in the following, actually starting tomorrow. So tonight, you already have our regular Friday nights. You got Jolie downtown, in the heart of downtown. That's Easton Alexander. You got Mix It Up Fridays, DJ Fire Kid. That's at Demangu over somewhere on the east side.
I don't like the name there.
Demangu, not true.
Yeah,
like
I
a
just said Mix It Up
Demangu.
Friday.
Fire!
Yeah.
Fire
Yeah. You didn't even fix it yet. Mix it up. Mix it up Fridays.
But if you mix it up on a day, man, go. Me not go there. Fire fix things, please.
It be active though.
Yeah, me true. Me see
the females
I see
be
the chiquitas
outside.
them in there.
Yeah, they be outside. Mix it up, mixing it up.
Me never see a bunch of Puerto Rican who love twerk and can't twerk.
They be outside.
I'm gonna tell you what them can't twerk. Every time you see them a twerk in a video with fire, see fire, yeah.
But that's fire though.
Yeah,
that's fire though. That's probably all he can do. He probably can't manage it. Move my fire! Yeah, he probably can't manage it. I'm just saying. I heard that be going down and mix it up. But.
Yeah, and then we have Rum Vibes every Friday at Sidebar with Rum Boss International, the whole gang. Shouts out to them. And definitely every Saturday night, 3 to the Birds, DJ Fireboss.
I heard that, yes
active.
sir. I think Saturday too, but yeah, we on Friday nights right now, yeah.
Oh, him there on Friday too on Saturday?
I know we be going, I think he's Saturday, but I know we go active on Friday. I'm not sure.
Yeah, me I tried to show it earlier, but yeah, that's all the events going on for tonight.
That we know about right now.
That we know about, but tomorrow is Nipples, right?
Oh yeah, I heard
tomorrow
I heard
is
about
the party's called Titties or Nipples. The first part they call Cleavage.
Yeah.
So I guess they must show nipples now. Okay? I saw you go chat.
Hey.
Chuck, sorry if you're in the chat right now. Talk to me. I saw you go. The first one called Cleavage.
Yo, Maria team parties.
That door there, please.
Maria team parties, but we need the team to be respected. Dress code need to be respected.
Guys, he's trying to say theme, the theme.
Yeah,
not the
team party.
Theme. That's correction.
Excuse me.
So tomorrow night, Nipples, California Blue House.
Yeah.
Upstate Mafia Family. DJ Maestro, Rumbas International. Who the other sound from the flyer? I can't see it, but you can see from this one?
Let me see.
From Canada, a sound from Canada.
What Nipples? That
top right.
Over here, son.
Mm-hmm.
Canada, so, oh, yep.
You see the Canada flag?
Yep. It's a nice lineup.
Yeah, man.
That's it, an out-of-town sound with neighbor.
Rumbass and Fire Kid
Yeah.
alone. And Maestro.
That's a nice lineup. I love that lineup.
Oh, so you don't know, say tomorrow night, California Blue House. They
Yep.
gave last year they gave us cleavage. This year they giving us nipples. We thank you, ladies.
Okay.
As my co-host say, please follow the dress code.
Yeah, respect the dress code. And when I say that, please.
Yeah, and above all,
Like no, you can't go Walmart and get some stuff.
hold on. Watch this, Nine. You like by the door? No. Oh, good. So Nine, you watch a joke.
Go on.
Here how this man, right?
Yeah.
Him depend here talk tell the ladies and fi follow the dress code for next week, for tomorrow on nipples, right? You don't got to close it, G. And him say people in a chat to watch him. Why him stay so?
No.
Rough.
I'm at work.
Rough.
I'm at work.
You are
I'm
done.
just saying. I'm here to talk about dancehall. I'm love dancehall.
I say people tomorrow night California.
Can we notice it? If you want to talk about it, let's get into it.
Let's get into it, nigga.
Watch
Let's
out
talk about it, nigga.
Because this brother are coming out, like, with me and all our vibes, and brother come up, be a love tune and I'm feelings. I want to look like you meet somebody over the week. Like, look like say we need for Europe and talk about the week in recap. Cause look like say you had a great week.
Why you say that?
Cause you came in here screaming and all. You didn't hear him over there?
Well, I was mixing. I was
mixing. Anyways.
Damn, but you look lonely over this and a blood clot.
Right, like look on. I saw you go still.
Well, anyway, like we said, people,
we
tomorrow night and tonight we outside, but for tonight we want to give the one event we may want to try to promote. Or I'm not trying. We're going to promote the most because it's next Friday. Is our first like official live stream how we intended to start, how we wanted to start Live Vibes. So next Friday we have the opportunity to give you the live vibes in full effect, how you should properly get the live vibes. You know what I mean? Bad girl GY pre. So next Saturday, Live Vibes TV, along with the Ignite Reggae Band, we are fully fucking live at Taco Dero.
And Bad Girl G is in
Taco Dero, that is next week. That's Brooks. That what shit? It's 9 Brooks up. Let me tell you the address right now, cause I don't want to tell
I know you was promoting this tonight.
Yeah,
I ain't
across
gonna
from
lie.
the airport for the Rochester, but more I get the correct address so the people would. I want to be professional.
I feel like
now.
a lot of people know where that is. It's just us didn't know. I am gonna lie to you.
So it is 1174 Brooks Ave, Taco Dero. Next Friday night, is kicking the vibes off at 8 p.m. It is free to come enter. All we want y'all to do is come vibe with us, support our stuff, give us some feedback. Definitely support the band because they're going to be there. And they're trying to build their social media. So come out and support all of us. When I say the band is lit, they're going to put the official meaning back in the word. The live in live vibes. That's what the band's going to bring to us next weekend. So please, we are going this weekend, like we said, for these events that we just called out.
But I come sell my chat friend them no big thing. I ain't come produce, you know. And that me I tell you, cause me and my chat friend them, yeah, we buckle you.
But
Yeah.
what you supposed to mean? What that mean?
I'm just saying.
You know me,
we
like-
gonna look for all of these that you're saying, you're talking about.
You know me, like-
We're gonna look for this, and we're gonna expect this. Just so you know. So you better be ready because the chat will be ready and the chat will be there, which is next week Friday. And they always here because they know I'm here. Anyways, I love
Miss
y'all.
Juicy, there's Bucky.
I'll be here for a crew. Go out with it.
But what's up, Miss
Yeah,
Juicy?
go
How
on,
you
yeah.
been? But like we said, next Saturday, Friday, people.
Chat, make sure y'all like the live, please. Yo, real quick.
wait,
No, real quick. We need 1 subscriber. Cause it look a 6ix9ine thing that I don't, you know. Shout out to the
6ix9ine?
artist, but we have 469 subs right now on
Oh
YouTube.
God! Somebody share this share with live to a friend.
I need- we need one more
on the
subscriber.
road to 500. We need 40 more. Come on.
Them
Please.
say I know, but we want 1 more sub.
Thank you. Mathematician Gianna. So yeah, shouts out to Brockport or Gate Shylight, that's where it started. But yeah, we there people, bad girl G, they up on the couch, we are go intertwine with some conversation and shit. But right now, Bucky, I want to start first. I'm afraid if you ask you how your week been, because that take like a month for you to get through.
Now my week was smooth. I was just working. Sure, I'm chilling.
What the fuck? That was quick.
Yep.
Yo, what Kenny then?
That's it. Chat.
God damn, you been
That's
practicing
it.
the whole time?
Actually, that was off the dome.
Bomba Clyde.
Off the
If you freestyle more while,
dome.
me not
Off the
like that
dome,
was
I ain't gonna lie to
good.
you. Yeah, I've been sipping.
Soda?
I went to Popeyes.
Maybe that's why.
G, how was your week?
This is a spiked Popeye cup.
Spike pop.
We had the biscuit. You had the biscuit.
Huh?
What is it?
That was an experience. I could talk about it.
Don Julio biscuits.
Yeah.
Wait,
this is-
what? The Don Julio biscuit?
I don't know about that.
What we talking about
That
right
sound like a concoction right there. Pause.
Why? Why if you concoct youth? Put that if you drop a blood clot, boy, you probably
That's what I. Sorry, chat. But yeah.
So,
That
G, how was your week?
sounds safe.
My week.
Oh, so before I ask you how your week, people who don't know and who is new to Livevybz, this is a member of the team, Gianna, on Instagram, Gianna DIY, right? And she's a photographer, set designer,
Jay.
Secretary,
Jay.
pretty light skin. What you want?
G is not the guest tonight.
Many of us said she had a guess.
They know. The chat knows G.
Anyway, like
Let
I
her
said,
talk about her week, please, and thank you.
For my friend, people in the chat who don't know who she is, she has a lot of services to offer.
It's 2025.
And all of that. So
Oh yeah.
I'm out here to make sure my friend is rich, because once my friends are rich, I'm rich. So you have any openings for any
Chat,
photos you want to shout out some
big, you know.
dates so people can hit you up if anything?
I'm always open. Just DM me Gianna_DIY.
Yes.
I'm about to drop some prices this week on social media.
She don't mean
Early
like
Black
drop the
Friday.
prices down. She mean post the prices.
Correct.
Oh shit.
I know y'all
Oh,
greedy
shit.
people
I
on
just
there.
said early
Yeah.
Black Friday.
You see, niggas like that you gotta watch
I
out for.
appreciate that.
Yeah.
Hey.
I know my
I'm
friends.
going to post the prices.
Yeah, she's gonna have her prices listed for
Price
everything.
list launching.
Yeah, because
Okay.
they said last. What Fat Jordy said? Yesterday's price is not today's price.
I mean, yeah.
Because we always leveling up, yeah? So,
Not it, Mike. That it.
so G, tell us how was your week real quick, and let's get into some.
My week had its highs and lows, but it's ending very well. I was sick this weekend. My voice sounds a little crazy.
Hey,
Jermaine
yo.
heard it earlier this week. It was insane.
I didn't hear nothing. I heard you was what they call it lip reading or lip signing.
Oh, you was the sign like you was reading lips.
We're back.
Yeah.
We're back.
She had talked to Siri like, huh?
Jaja.
How was your week?
Yeah.
My week, it was I would say it was pretty smooth. I definitely was working a lot. Talking about working since I promoted your business. People, if you have a friend with a dirty car, don't look too far. JLN Detailing is here at your service. We will forward to you or you come to we if you want it cheaper. You see me? I said so. Like I said, my car detailing services, I have the schedule open all week next week. I'm booked next weekend, but all week I'm open. So if your car needs detailing, or you have a friend that
Schedule
don't know
open.
how to keep their car clean, just hook them up and hit me.
Yeah, like my friend. My friend, don't take my clean car.
Clean.
Yep.
Yeah,
He cleans my car, and I have very high standards.
yeah, you don't
That is
know.
it.
And so me I said, people, link us quick, because I'm running a thing now where I could get you like a what do you call it, a package for a monthly package. So you get your car cleaned like twice a month for a reasonable price, you know. But if
reasonable.
you have a work vehicle, that's a whole different price.
Jaja, good.
So we'll talk about that. So just like new detailing, look me up on Instagram if you want your car clean. Cause most of the car dirty, cause that's how you go. So what I want to talk about tonight, cause I'm looking forward to next week so bad, bro. Like I'm hyped. How many of y'all ever experienced a live band?
That's something know y'all know Jamaican, you know.
You thought? Well, you don't know a live band until you go to church, you know. So don't come back like you know everything.
Yeah, I hate
G,
it.
have you ever experienced a live band before?
We literally watched that band live before.
Before that?
Ignite, we've seen them live.
No, have you seen a band before them?
Yeah.
So
I've
what's-
been at white people functions?
Or what's your favorite type of music to listen from a band? Because I can't listen to a rock band live. No.
Nah, I'm not. Yeah, remember we went to see your old boss?
That was fly though.
I mean, yes, it was a cool experience, but
Yeah.
I'm not going to listen to that shit ever
No.
again. I don't know. I guess. I don't know. I don't know.
What about you, bro?
Me? Buns now. Stage show, yeah. I haven't experienced a buns, but a stage show, I would love to experience that. Well, yeah, no, I did. I'm lying. But that was like in high school, back in the day. But I would love to experience a recent stage show buns. But when it comes down to buns, we talk about like 9 Night Come on now.
No, we're not talking. Well, they are a band, but they just sing music.
No,
So,
no.
just so you know what a 9-night is. You know what that is?
No, I don't know what you just
So a 9-night is, in our culture is like a, I want to call it a celebration because that sounds stupid. It's like when somebody dies and pass. It's like the night before the funeral, a party.
Okay.
Not a party, but I mean I want to call it a party. We do party.
A gathering, a celebration.
Yeah.
But I don't want to call it
It's
a
a
death
gathering.
But
celebration.
people do that, so they call it a celebration of life.
Yep. It's a gathering.
But the nigga
used
died.
same.
But-
He used the same. He used the correct word. But
understand.
it's a gathering.
Yeah,
and-
but gee, we go. It's supposed to go from like 8 that night till the next morning, then we go to the funeral.
yeah.
But it's lit.
So
And it's all live bands playing the whole night.
live band, right? But you could. It depends on the location you're at and the budget of that family and how they seem. Because you know, it's just like up here, how different people see different.
Yeah. Sure, that buggy over there, so.
Yeah. Different people see like they kind of treat like death and stuff like that a little different. You know, up here they do like wake. You know, you go to see
A
the
wake and a funeral,
yeah. You know what I'm saying? They go. That's a little weird to
You
me.
know what's funny? They call that shit awaken the people dead.
Anyways, Jay, you talking about me? You talking about me bringing up night. That was a good. Anyways,
Yeah.
I just
But-
came from that violin concert. He had a live band.
We about to get into that. That's why I was waiting until both of y'all sit down so we could get into it. But
real quick though,
go ahead.
I ain't want him to downplay night because it is a celebration. Don't get me wrong, but the way I would celebrate it, it's not any dead vibes.
I got you.
No pun
It's fun.
intended.
It's
Yeah,
fun.
yeah,
It's not
all-
say fun. It's just
fun.
It's not
It is
only
fun.
church music as he's trying to make it seem.
not- yeah.
Dancehall music plays at
No, they-
night nights.
But they
Okay.
sing the dancehall songs on like church beats.
Yes.
What is it called?
And the
Nine?
band-
9-night or a dead
Nine.
yard.
Yeah, dead yard. Dead yard or a 9-night.
Cause they call it a dead yard because it's
Are you
the,
saying 9 like the number?
yeah
9? Okay.
9
Yes.
Okay.
And it's usually kept at the house or
of
where
the
the person left.
deceased. So it's the original one of the original is a dead yard
Yeah.
because it's the parties kept at the
The
house
house.
of the dead.
Yeah, we could get into that, but that's,
Well, that's where
that's
it's
a whole.
definitely-
Yeah, that's a whole.
Now we talk
but
about
yeah.
live bands and all that.
Yeah,
shit.
the band part of it is
Back to
a
live.
whole nother.
Yeah, back to
There's
live.
some people that just come to 9 nights just
For
for
food.
the band.
or the food.
Because you see, we're
That's you.
not gonna stray.
All right, sorry,
I'm just saying. We all know that. We know talking over a little freeness sometimes comes out the food, but me love my belly. I say go. Okay, you can't poison me. Anyway, when it comes on to the band though, there's a lot of people that just come to those functions just for
the band.
the fact that this family is able to bring out a live band, or this location is bringing out a live band. Because sometimes it's the location, they will want to keep the event, but they can't because of the location.
You know,
But the live band be live banding.
in our culture, Gigi, last thing, some people don't go to parties, but they party at the 9 nights. Like it's a party.
You see, it's a whole other crowd.
Cause they got liquor, bottles,
Yeah, it's the
food,
same- it's
like,
the same
just-
thing.
But it's like outside, you know what I mean?
Interesting.
But like I said, we here. I'm promoting my event, our event next week at Taco Dero. Live Vibz.
There will be a
first
live band.
exclusive live with a live band. And
There will be a live
we're
band.
throwing
I
around the
heard.
question if anybody ever experienced a live band before. And these two beautiful ladies just came from a show where they're going to tell us about and give us some details because I couldn't go. So, Miss Whoa Wild Out, thanks for joining us today.
Yes, how you doing?
Well, go on. So, how was it? How was the show? What's the name of the person and how was the experience?
The name of the person, his name is Demola. He's a
from
Nigerian
Okay.
violinist, but he was also playing the guitar.
Oh, so you play multiple instruments?
Yeah, I can play the saxophone too.
Oh, wow.
That's
the head
talent.
is sitting up there, but he never touched it.
Yeah, I was waiting. That's like
He just teasing y'all for that's the next show.
yeah.
That's the next show.
So let me ask, since we talk about that, what's your favorite instrument?
Clarinet.
Saxophone.
Just kidding.
I was about to say, loser!
Yo, I ain't gonna lie.
I used to play the clarinet, y'all.
I see myself
Back in the
playing, beating some jumps. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
I would love to learn to
I
play
wanted
the
to do
jump.
percussion.
I
My
could.
mom wouldn't let me, and I picked the clarinet.
Jay,
I'm trying to learn
Jay,
to
where
play.
you want?
I'm
Blow
try-
the flute?
Piano
Yeah,
school.
Batty man. You are fish. Squidward, don't say no word.
I ain't gonna lie.
Me I practice my guitar on the seat over here, so I'm practicing my bass. You know? But me I
You
try.
ain't touched that in months.
Piano's cool.
Stop lying
Try
to
a
yourself. Anyways,
Piano.
he
Yeah,
does
saxophone
own the
or
bass
piano.
though.
You know what I like about piano, and I don't like, is people that play piano. I feel like they're like fucking smart as hell. Majority of the time, they're smart. Like the ones that could with their fingers and shit and no look. I feel like their brain is just AI.
I mean, I feel like, yeah, that's a great point.
Because
I know a lot of
So
music
you
though.
dislike it? Wouldn't that intrigue you?
no,
Be
no,
like,
I'm not
wow,
saying I
they're
don't like.
amazing.
Because I'm saying when I watch them, it's like all of their fingers got brains for themselves.
All right, yeah, all right.
It's the skill.
Am I lying?
The skill.
I mean,
No,
you,
it's- yeah,
yeah.
it's skills,
I mean, all music, all instrument players. I think there's a tremendous
Yeah,
skill.
even
You know,
like
I love
the
that shit.
violin's so interesting to me. Like a bunch of strings.
Yeah, different sounds.
Placed a certain way on this
Yeah.
instrument a certain way, and he's like,
Yeah.
and I'm like, how?
I wonder what's the hardest instrument to learn.
Great question.
I would say the piano because it got 100 million keys.
I don't think it's a keys part of it, to be honest, because I think they all are labeled, right? They all have their specific
I mean,
names.
if you're in 3rd grade,
What?
you
They,
got
they
piano.
all have a specific name. What are you talking about?
Oh, I thought you
all
meant
the
like I
keys-
thought you meant like label as in the label is on them. My bad.
No. They all have.
Yeah,
keys.
they're all-
Yeah, they have
all
A,
names.
G, C
Yeah,
flat, all that shit. Come on, bro.
No. They actually got names, bro.
I just
Like,
named them.
anyways,
They
I
say
don't know
play a
what's the
C
name.
flat. You play. Are you okay?
Okay. But I feel you can remember.
I'm glad Kid is
the
here because I
thing-
can't deal with this shit no more. I can't.
Motherfucker.
I can't.
See.
Watch out for that shirt, y'all.
Anyways, no, the dope thing I think with piano, people play piano though, they like it's so diverse. Like you can do so much shit with a piano, right?
Man, and I got your favorite shirt
Like-
on too, bruh.
This nigga.
Get your fucking little Jurassic Park ass out of here.
So you use that shirt like 10. You use that shirt like 10 times already.
Because that's
So,
what's on
chat,
the shirt. 10 fucking
Dr. Sauer is
dinosaurs.
late as usual, and he's interrupting me, and I don't like that. 'Cause I made my
split this seat because we
week-
got questions for
I
the
made
show.
my weekend recap
Also,
really
as you-
quick because he wasn't here.
Nigga,
Just so you can
missed the
say,
quickest
I
recap
don't
this
believe
nigga
this.
ever gave in the show's
Just saying.
history. This
Just
nigga
saying.
said, my week was straight.
That was it.
Bro, look at my face. I'm still in awe.
He was waiting for more.
I thought it was it, but like we said,
Chat, what's up, everybody?
we asking what's people's favorite instrument and how was the show for you? Because you apparently you went and saw the show too.
I did. It was nice.
Oh,
man.
you were there too?
Yeah, you was
I just
there.
came from there.
All of y'all
So
did.
she-
Oh, y'all was there. Where y'all was sitting at?
So everybody was outside tonight.
I-301.
Okay.
Actually.
So where was this show? Let's dive in. I know we talking about
It was
instruments,
in
but where was
Eastman
this show?
Theater, right?
No,
It was
innovative theater?
innovation.
Innovation.
Yeah,
Oh, in
innovation
that fancy
park.
building?
Yeah.
Oh. I didn't know they had rooms for that over there.
Me either.
It
Was
was
this
kinda small, but it
was this
definitely
a
was
last minute
sure.
thing or
I don't know,
why
camera,
we didn't
actually.
hear
Yo,
about
No,
it?
I guess they've been watching them on Instagram.
Oh,
They
okay,
follow us.
okay.
as the dudes.
Crazy.
Oh, okay. Is he just is he on like a tour or something?
Popping a little bit.
Is he like on tour or something?
Yeah,
very
he doing a tour. The name of the tour is
Fearless.
yes, Fearless. He did a 1 in a Million tour, he said, and then this one is Fearless. He said it's his
Okay.
first time in Rochester, so it was a different experience for him. I got into him from YouTube. And
Okay.
it just-
Is it because he's African? See, this was my question about it. First of all, so
Hit it.
because I had a few questions about this guy, because it was
You
a
sound like
woman.
a concerned dad.
Yeah, because it was a
Let me
woman
see
who
about
told,
this character.
it was a woman who told me about it. So I'm like, yo, who is this dude, yo? Like,
Yeah.
yo, why is he so popular? You know why he's so popular? This nigga taking his shirt off, son.
Wow, they make it seem like they go for this nigga talent, though.
Nah, he good. He can play. He can play it all, but he can play it all. But
I
like,
didn't really know about him.
That's what I got.
My mom and my godmother were supposed to go and they couldn't last minute. So she's like, "Hey, do you want the tickets?" I was like, "Okay."
yeah.
nah, he did a great job. He actually was really
No,
good.
he was. It was
So what's his name? What's his name again?
D-Lo Shuffle.
I'm about to check him out in the.
Oh, Demola. Oh, my fault. My fault.
Stop it.
I've been calling D-Lo Shuffle this whole time.
Yo, I'm scared to say that name D-Lo
He's
because.
young.
Yeah,
Sure.
yeah.
He's young.
Is he?
He was born in '99.
Oh, yeah, he young as hell.
What's young? That means I'm young.
He's
Bro,
younger
you were
than
not
me.
born in 99. First off, let's put that out there.
First, what do you mean I wasn't born in
Let's
99?
go.
You're close to 2000. You're young.
Yeah,
Just
bro.
off
Let's
record.
not.
Guys, I just had
You shouldn't be with us.
Sorry,
right
guys.
now.
I had a Joe Biden moment. That was it. I thought 99 started out, but his 90s is different from 99. Sorry.
Okay, now time out. Because now if you had a Joe Biden moment, my God. What year? You know what year you was born.
Yeah, but I forgot.
Okay, that was definitely Joe Biden.
Yeah, that's what I said, Joe Biden moment.
That's almost like when somebody asks you how old you are. You're like, how old are you? Yeah.
Now that happens.
I do that sometimes.
You do it all the time.
Yeah, because you don't pay attention to the years and I
So
just
regular-
leave
You're
it.
like, gee, how old am I turning this year?
Yeah, because I've been on know. So,
Same.
so just to get you caught up,
There you go.
we heavy on.
I don't even got a drink right now. What's up?
I got the rum there, I got the cup there. I don't know. But
This how I know I'm high right now. I'm gonna be honest with you.
we got
Yeah.
But
God bless
we
you.
are promoting the
Buzz
show for
back.
next week and also the upcoming events, but definitely our shit for next Friday.
Next week,
So-
poppin'.
I was telling them like it was dope that y'all came from seeing a live band, and so that y'all have like a expectation for next week, but ours is way higher because
Yeah.
we gonna rock the roof off and
Yeah.
shit. So I mean, I get another opportunity to shout out to the Ignite band for working with us and
Big
making,
shouts out to Ignite.
yeah, for making this next week very possible for us. And they didn't even want to say no more. I just respect and appreciate them so much for helping us making this shit possible. And shout out to Kickback Keem.
Hey, yeah,
shout out to
DJ
Kim.
Kickback King. My
Yeah,
guy.
shout out to my boy.
KBK.
Yeah, the whole gang from Nightfly and Taco Dero for making all of this
Shout
possible.
out to them, for real.
All of that. So, one more.
I don't want no judgment. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. When y'all see this bottle, I don't want no judgment, yo. I had this from
old
the...
ass
Nah,
nigga.
it ain't about being old. Nah, that's what I'm saying. I ain't want no judgment.
Pour me
yo,
some.
listen.
Pour me
Hear
some.
me out. Hear me out, though.
Pour me some. It's
Hear me out.
crazy.
What you about to make? The Incredible Hulk?
He just show his
I got
age.
tequila. I can. I mean, if you want me to grab it, I got
All right, bartender, can you relax?
I'm about to say, man. Shouts out to
Let me make it
High
special.
Spirits. High Spirits Bar, man. Big shouts out to Ignite, man. Definitely big shouts out to Ignite.
Just show me weed and then take over.
So everybody make sure y'all pull up tomorrow. Next Friday. Next Friday we got Taco Dero. It's definitely going down.
Appreciate you.
Ignite. I'm excited about next week, man. Bucky, you ready?
All right,
Yeah,
so
I mean, I'm already
okay,
excited for all
let me
Fridays.
see.
I ain't gonna lie.
Man,
So,
I'm fast
so,
you later, you can't chat to me now. You can't chat to me
Tell my
now.
boy they are do too.
Come
You
here.
come here, come do earlier too. I come talk Bo. Make sure say let down fans, make sure say everything. Say like this nigga not a part of the fucking team.
Oh, word, bruh?
Say he also said
Big
that
chat.
Input?
he's
Big
also
chat.
said he's gonna be there as a spectator and not as a team
Oh,
member.
you're not gonna be on the show?
I told this
the
nigga to
chat-
make sure he in uniform, but he
Not
told me
such, man.
Ross Clark.
Not such, man. You gonna be a spectator, bruh?
I'm just saying, bro. I always the chat know if I'm not showing up to work, I say that. Anyways,
Ain't no any way.
Yeah,
What?
next week is no days off.
let me
Next
cook. Hold on.
next week is gallatory.
Hold on. I always show up to work
Probably gonna
on
use that a
time.
few times. I ain't gonna lie. That
That
was
was
a good one. That's a good one. Yo, I'm using that one.
You just say yeah.
So just know that everybody in that full life
You-
might
we
be
have to
tired
do
next
that.
week.
Just
I'll
say
be
you
at
want. Just
work.
say you want. If
I'll
you
be
need
at
one,
work.
just say you need one.
I'm good.
I'll change your mind in a
I'm
second.
good. Nah.
So Doc, how was your week?
Nah.
Get us caught up, Brody.
Nah.
My week was good, man. I can't complain, man. It was a nice week, man. Great. Is we ever gonna get some good weather?
Right.
Damn, I saw
I'll
the
be
post on
outside
that, Brody.
regardless.
Let me tell you what the funniest shit. What this was probably the downhill of my week. So, mind you, it was raining all week. So, caught a couple of details. Still got a chance to work both jobs.
Yeah,
so,
detailing shit been popping for you lately, huh, man?
Yeah, it's slowly getting there.
It's
It's
the
slowly-
same
Did I miss the part where you shouted it out? Did you shout yourself out? My bitch.
Oh, we should. You want to do it again?
No, man,
Okay,
don't let me take your shine. Go ahead,
No, it's our business, nigga. You know, but anyway, one team, one dream. But like I said, it's clear. The detailing slowly building up in my week. But I've been balancing it so far. But you know, once it gets there, it gets there. So
yes, indeed.
So man, I said I worked this week. So this morning, last night my manager hit me, my supervisor, and said, "Yo, we in Buffalo tomorrow. So I'm gonna call you in the morning because if it rains, we're not gonna have no work." Man texts me at 5:40. Said 9 o'clock. That means get there at 9. I'm like,
5:40 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
Damn.
I woke up.
Why
was
is my
still
phone
raining
even
here.
going off at this hour?
So I'm cruising like, oh, I know he just about to be telling me to turn around because.
Yeah, you said that to me. Matter of fact, you said that. You was like,
Bro,
yo.
literally, as soon as I got off the highway,
That's it.
In Buffalo?
as soon as I got off the highway, clear sky.
Oh, for real?
Not necessarily clear sky, no rain.
Clear
dry.
what it is.
But it's
what it is.
overcast. So I'm like, ain't this about a bitch?
Yeah,
So you think it's just
check the
Rochester?
weather, man.
Yo,
Literally.
I saw something that said that so Tornado Alley, which is in the Midwest, if I'm not mistaken, they said that it's migrating more this way.
What? What that mean? What?
We about to start getting tornadoes at some point. So like all the weather patterns that are
DJ.
other
Welcome
places,
to Jam Rock.
Why
It's
for that
a
scream,
Gallus
man?
Jane. I'm going back.
We can see it though. It's like it starts getting hot in like June when it used to get hot in May.
Yeah,
and then it stays hot through October when it used to be over for that shit.
all of the
It's
weather
like
patterns
already
are.
moved over a few weeks.
It's all changing up on us.
Well, thanks to my friend them were a meteorologist coming and pay attention to do with that. I just get up and go. But right now, we're talking about
That's just something
tornado.
on point in terms of the app.
Yeah, did y'all hear about the fucking earthquake? Not the earthquake, the volcano they say about the erupt
Where at?
in the under the Pacific Ocean.
Sea,
What's the underwear?
The Pacific Ocean.
Pacific.
Say it again.
What you call it?
Try again.
Can you say the word?
Yeah, let me hear you say.
Try again.
No, I
Let me do it.
tried twice.
What ocean is it, yo?
Pacific Ocean. Try again.
All right.
Pacific.
What about the other? What's the other ocean?
Huh?
What's the other?
I don't know.
Where's your-
Two challenge. Why would I come challenge? Me just do something smart. I come try. All right. Anyways.
Yeah, they say there's a volcano that they say is getting ready to erupt, but it's like 2 miles under the ocean. But they say
I feel like that happens a lot though. Like
yes,
It does.
yes.
So some scientists are saying nothing will happen and we won't even notice, but some are like, could be some earthquakes.
They might say a couple earthquakes off.
So if it's so then all right, let me test your geography now. If there is a volcano that erupts in the Pacific Ocean,
Wow.
Judge,
where-
my friend.
my fault. In the Pacific Ocean,
Kick me when I'm down.
if a volcano erupts
stump on my
in the
neck.
Pacific Ocean,
Okay, Copper.
where would it be? Yeah, see, that's why I didn't get you. Where would it be affecting? What landmass would it affect? What area of the country would it affect?
Let me know, just tell us California.
All right.
We read the news and me listen.
What about the other side?
Other side of the US?
No. If California's
If
the
this
U.S.
is the ocean and California's here,
What's on the other
what's
side of
here?
Pacific?
If California.
You got this, man.
Over that.
You
no,
got this.
Is that?
You got this.
I don't. They probably what? Europe? Me don't know.
Asia.
Japan.
Wait, we that close?
Yeah. That's how they bombed Pearl Harbor.
It's literally where Pearl Harbor came from, my friend.
Yeah, they just flew over there. You right. Yeah, damn.
It's because we don't think of the globe. Like,
Hawaii.
We, see the map, like,
We forget about
really
Hawaii and all of that stuff, man. Like Hawaii.
Oh yeah, them
Hawaii
little
is
places-
right there.
No, that's on fire. Why people say they fly far for today? Like they always on some long ass flights.
Well, I mean, because
it's not
a
close.
lot of times when you're talking to people, they're leaving from here and they're flying over there, so
somewhere.
they gotta fly from.
Is there a direct
New
flight
York,
from America
New
to
York
there?
State.
What'd you say?
Is a direct flight from America to Hawaii?
Hell no.
What are the
It's
connections?
definitely layovers. If you want to go to
I couldn't even
California,
remember. We have 3 flights when we go in July. It's like a 6-hour flight, then a 3-hour flight, then a 1-hour flight.
it's time differences too, though. Too, it's you gotta think of the time difference.
Right, no, but I know it's still measured out as like 5:50.
God.
3,
How many?
and 1.
Anybody know the time in Hawaii?
Damn, you going to Hawaii? Look, you just graze over that fact.
Aloha G.
Family trip.
My fault, international G.
It's literally in our country.
You know.
You're right. That is definitely it's been a
Let me
state
see
for
what
longer than
time
Puerto
it is,
Rico has. You're right.
Oh, it is owned by the country.
Yes, Hawaii is
Currently,
good.
Friday at 4:40 p.m. So they're 6 hours behind us.
Look at Hawaii moonwalk. So let me just
That
learn
shit still
I just learned
baffles
some
me,
geography.
What baffles you?
You don't
Time
know where
difference.
that
Huh?
That's baffling.
Time
The
difference.
time difference?
Yeah, that's weird too.
I you know what? Honestly, I agree with that. It does baffles me as well. But it's so. When I was in Vegas, that's when it really fucked me up. Cause
Especially when it's the same fucking land.
difference or something.
That's what fucked me up.
But it's
Just saying.
it's because you always it's the sun. It's the time of when the sun is up and everything.
How the sun moves.
When you're seeing the sun and all, sunlight and all of that type of stuff.
Fun fact: Arizona and New Mexico do not participate in daylight savings.
Really?
Yeah. They just don't ever change their time.
It doesn't make sense.
No, man. No,
It really doesn't.
And
There's
that
no
goes
reason
to
to
show
do
you
it.
how it's all made up, and we could just do whatever we want. Look,
There's no reason for it.
those two states never set their clocks back and
Time is
forward.
non-existent. It
Wow.
continues, so
Arizona and New Mexico. I learned that when I went to Arizona.
So
Shouts out
that's,
to
and that's
Arizona,
because obviously every state
Shout
got
out
their
to
own
the state
kind of
of
law or
Arizona.
some shit, right?
Right, man.
Say that one more
Just
time.
some
That's because
degree,
every state,
yeah.
each state got their own law or something.
Yeah.
Because that, yeah, me come in and know.
I'm
Me
a
never,
Phoenix Suns fan, so I shout out Arizona.
me never know about daylight saving until me come to America, you know.
Yeah,
Guys,
shit.
what we save like
Yeah, they just left it like this. I hate when it's
Yeah,
like
see, like, that's
4
weird.
p.m. in the
Yeah, no blood
winter
clot.
and it's nighttime already.
Yo, me love.
Hold on. No. I'm sorry, fellas, but I gotta talk to my off-camera people because I know that they're the sports guys.
Wow. Okay.
You just
I'm being honest here.
Go
I'm being
ahead.
honest here. I'm being honest.
Are you right? You right.
Go ahead.
American
Fellas.
sports.
Go ahead.
Fellas, it's getting crazy in the NBA.
I'm gonna make a sports segment.
We had a conversation about it before about who y'all think gonna be in the finals. A lot of things changing. Producers, what y'all think, man? What's your finals predictions?
Yeah, because some name, you know, because the people in my chat no
Yeah,
for
I don't even know what I'm talking about, you know.
9.
Let's call 1 and 2 name.
Chat, what are you talking about? Coming up play sports.
I thought the Knicks. I still said the Knicks though.
You said it. You still say the Knicks? Pacers have.
But Pacers, yeah, I know.
Okay, I can't argue. Knicks. So Knicks taking everything. New York Knicks. For those who don't know, New York Knicks taking everything.
Not every-
Finals. The chip. They taking the chip.
I feel like yeah.
Pool 9.
How much teams left right now? Huh?
I think they go into the finals, bro.
Bet.
The Knicks still.
Ben Kenny, not them win the game where the whole PS and New York. Them
Listen, man. Big shouts out to New York, man.
So why you acting surprised?
They did something that they did in 20. They ain't done it in 25 years. Shouts out to them because they definitely did something. They haven't done it in 25. They started naming streets after these dudes, yo.
Oh, shit.
25 years they have not done this.
And because they
They
win
have
out,
not
they're
been
giving them
this far.
streets.
What y'all don't realize, I won't say y'all, but them, what they know is that the Pacers have been coming back and been balling, son.
Where the PSS from?
Indiana.
Okay.
Indiana. The Pacers have been balling this whole time. I feel like the Pacers are going to run through the Knicks. Me personally, I feel like the Pacers are going to run through the Knicks. But what's going to kill them is OKC because OKC a younger team. And they're going to be red. They're going to be burnt out by the time they get through the Knicks.
Too much
that's my
teams
prediction.
left.
So I feel like the winners, the people that's going to take the chip, finals, NBA finals, is going to be the OKC Thunder,
Where they from?
Oklahoma City.
Okay. I think I heard that name before.
They got a younger team, bro. I feel like they got a younger team. They ain't gonna be burnt out, and they about to run through Minnesota, yo. I would love to see Minnesota and Knicks. I would love to see Minnesota and Knicks because that'd be the best story. But we gotta be realistic here.
Well,
We gotta
snap
be
back
realistic
to
here.
reality because I don't
So
know.
is the Knicks like the Bills?
I was thinking that.
Because you said it's been like 25 years since.
Yo, when he said that, I was sorry. It's a high moment. I'm sorry.
Yo,
I'm glad.
I watch sport, but we know that no next.
I'm sorry. I don't know the sport, bro. I'm sorry.
just saying, like, comparison, like,
nah,
Yo.
I get what you're saying.
I was legit thinking that.
I would have never thought of it like that. But you from the outside looking in saying that sounds crazy.
Yo,
I don't know how I feel about that.
I
was
know
thinking
they're
that.
legendary, so I mean, but I'm just like,
I
if
definitely
they
heard the
haven't
name before,
gone
yeah.
that far
I mean, we
in a
also,
long
you know, the
time.
Buffalo Bills is legendary as well.
That's what I'm saying.
I never would have thought of it like that. That's crazy,
Damn.
yo. I would have never put it in that sense, yo. That's crazy. I don't know. From the outside looking in, I don't know. You got me thinking about that now.
Because it's like they never win and they should win and they always fuck up.
I don't know if they should.
I
Win.
feel
They
like
don't.
that's the reference you
They don't ever have their.
It's like a team thing. Like, people will represent the Buffalo Bills just as much as they would represent the Knicks if you're in New York City. So it's like, the team spirit is there. The effort is like,
Yeah, put it in work.
It's there, but it's been so long since we
There's been
got
so many
there.
it's pieces that's missing. That's what it is. There's always been pieces missing.
So,
damn, I never thought of it like that. That's crazy. I'm not even a Knicks fan. Like,
the only thing, chat.
Sports.
I know what.
Oh, she said they were talking about the Knicks. Who's gonna
Are
go?
the Knicks comparable to Buffalo Bills?
Is the Nick? Yeah.
Okay, fandom. I could see that.
I never would have thought of it like that. I never thought of that.
Judge.
Yeah, it's just when after repeating it, you thought about it.
What's going on? Yo, Jay.
They could
Y'all gonna need one that ain't like
the
that.
mayor
You
of
know.
New York might be like, yo, you can't let them win because they're gonna destroy my city.
Yeah, because the Knicks gonna go crazy, yo.
I heard they went crazy the other day when they won.
Bro, did you not see the videos?
Nah, I didn't.
A nigga fell off a street sign.
Oh, nah.
That was one video, bro. They beat the shit out of somebody.
I believed it when y'all said it
his jersey on, son. They went
That's
stupid on
crazy.
him, yo. Before the game even started, before it was even the series even started.
Nah.
They offense went crazy though.
Yo, you gotta think New York people is already off in the head.
Yeah, them in Florida.
Yeah.
You look like you from Florida.
Nah, I'm from New York.
You just like
New York.
You just like a
Florida.
What they call Floridian?
You never been to Florida?
Nah, I never been to Florida.
You look like a Floridian. You just like a Floridian.
That's
crazy. Me?
Huh?
Yo, I would love to go. You know I'll fit in Florida, bro. Come on now. You know that. Come on now.
Cause he gonna be sitting outside Home Depot waiting for jobs.
I'll be right on that motherfucker.
Stop it.
With them Eagles.
That's where he gonna be. Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
Yo, he love Home Depot too.
Yo,
That's
I
what's
love
funny
that
about
bitch.
it.
Yo, come on now. Yo, Nine. What it? Yo, Nine. Yo, tell him, bro. Yo, let me put y'all on the game.
Oh, wow. Here we go.
Here we go.
I know my hair, you know.
Here we go.
Put the hand down.
We did
All right,
that.
all right. All right. Summertime, right? And I'm at work right now. The chat will know. But summertime. Pick a 65-degree day, Friday or Saturday.
65 degree. Okay.
Yeah.
That's a little chilly, but
Right. And if you lucky, if one of those days could fall on one of like, hold on, let me cook. Let me cook. I'm getting somewhere with this.
Chat. When I say count to 3, y'all type LOL.
Let me cook, bro. I'm putting y'all on the game. All right. For the men. Ladies, hey.
Bucky, shut up.
I'm listening too.
All right. On say a Father's Day, a Mother's Day, some type of holiday, where you know the stores got sale.
Mm-hmm.
One of those days, on a nice day, like a 65 or 60.
He keep dropping into the culture. Like, what the fuck?
Shit for an hour.
Bro, 60
What happened, man?
is AC on his coldest,
What's
nigga.
going on?
An essay you've introduced
Home
to them.
Depot. Home Depot.
They got the deals?
The deals is be dealing.
I missed the toast.
But
No, I didn't do it yet because he wasn't here.
the single mamas.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
And like, hey, Home Depot be Home Depoting with the females. I'm sorry. I said it.
You said that before.
I will always say it. Like
They say that to women too. Like,
like
oh,
they
they're fighting a
like
man.
bro.
They do say that.
When I say they will literally snap, they will take you home right now.
How you know?
To fix shit.
No, hold on.
No, not even on that, bro. It's like
Bitch, I'm trying to help you.
Bro, no. I'm just saying. It's
Okay.
like I'm at work. I'm at work. This is no.
Come on, hold on. Before you go into detail, can we do our toast, man?
All right.
Because this is a story. It's a story coming from this.
Nah, it's a story.
This is a marker for what we're about to take.
No. This is some gems for the man.
What you want? We got it all. You want rum,
No,
tequila?
you gotta talk
If
to
not,
Archie.
You want
ain't
juice?
one day. Hey, what you saying?
I need some water or some
Oh.
you know.
Oh, my fault.
You
Some
guys
wine or
too hype.
My fault.
You gotta eat. You just go.
Oh, I turned it down.
I took some shrooms earlier. I ain't gonna sit there and cap with y'all.
Okay,
Don't
so
bust
we
the
gotta
shit.
talk about this like a bad triplet with you because I want to take shrooms, but it's like, are you supposed to?
You
be
want
in
some
a-
right now?
Are you, what?
Chill out.
Are you supposed to be in a positive?
Yo,
mental
chat.
state
Yes.
or,
So
like,
okay.
a
So I
mental
always say when
state?
people, because I'm a great shroom guru.
Dr. Sour.
Dr. Sour. I mean, you see.
Okay.
Yo.
Okay, yeah.
Yo, chat. Go ahead.
Nah, so I feel like when it comes to shrooms, I feel like you should always be in a great headspace. You should be in at least a good headspace.
Okay.
Also, make sure that you're around people that you're comfortable with. If you're going to be around multiple people, don't do your first time not alone. Don't do it alone. Your first time?
I've never done shrooms. I don't know. I just slipped. My bad. We'll talk about this off camera.
Another time.
Yeah.
Yeah. I did. Never have. Ever.
Keep
not.
telling me. Boy, I'm interested.
Yeah. Yes. So I feel like for your first time, you should definitely be around people that you're comfortable with, that are judgment-free zone. That makes sense. Other than that, I feel like a bad trip for me.
Wow, A1 service.
That was.
I like Vibz, man.
I've never tried that before. That's that Sunday, that Gallus and the baddie service that he just gave her. But
I mean, she's a baddie, no?
Definitely. But hey, I appreciate you doing the effort for the Friday Vibes. It's live vibe. But yeah, go ahead, bro.
I think that we when it comes to mushrooms, it's you gotta be in a good headspace. You gotta be around the right people.
Great.
I'm sorry. I had to go through what we was talking about again.
Oh, sorry. Bad trip.
ADHD is wild. That's another part of it.
AP.
Let him cook.
ADHD is wild with it.
So hold on. You say that. I don't want to cut you off.
If you're in a bad mental state, that's gonna affect your trip.
Yes, it will. Yes, it will. It will take you down a dark path, if anything, yo. You start feeling like
it just enhance whatever mood you in.
So what mushrooms do is it's supposed to unlock another side of your brain. That's what they say. It does.
So
it unlocks another side of your
be
brain.
outside, but naked, running wild, just like.
No.
I mean, if you do a lot of them,
that's acid.
Yeah, acid how you lit. Acid is more of a party drug. I feel like shrooms is more of a chill.
All right,
chill
so
vibe.
I didn't know we were gonna take this.
Doing acid and popping pills and parties is crazy.
Alright, on that note.
This is Popeye's.
I thought judgment free.
I mean, we are, but it's like,
But some people.
Yeah.
For like we said, we wasn't here last week, but we still alive, so we made it back this week.
We all got a different cup.
For that, we thank the man upstairs.
Yes. And I also want to keep a cups up for everybody.
Hey, chat, cups up.
On set tonight, because the vibe is right.
Birthdays, all birthdays. Anybody got birthdays? Anything we missed? Just possibly.
You got birthday.
Shout him out.
You been an auntie for how long?
Well, I was technically born an auntie, but I have a nephew who's one.
Okay.
My boy Zayden, shouts out to you, my boy. Yeah, I'm blessed to have a birthday. Oh. And Little Taylor. Birthday, Shouts out to Little Taylor, a new addition to our family. And Ty,
yeah.
Impressive.
Good job.
We didn't thought you had it in you, but you did, and you pushed it out.
I never said that. I never said that.
You didn't hear the last part, but she pushed it out.
She did.
Yeah,
she did
so
indeed.
Now you are a half god.
Oh, I saw what you did there.
Yeah, you got that?
Yeah.
You got that?
Pay attention, my boy.
There was somebody else that we're forgetting. That celebrated her birthday this week, man.
My mom?
Candy.
Oh, today.
Thank you. Candy. Yes, Candy.
Candy!
Yes. That's who it was. Candy. Yes. Big shouts out to Candy. Yes.
Yeah, Candy, all them big makeup artists in the Rochester. Ladies, if when your face look beat and to want it beat over, Candy will do it.
Mm-hmm. Yep. She works miracles.
Mm-hmm. Yes, she does.
Yep.
You know them people that can, like, you see how I detail car and bring it back to life? That's what Candy do with makeup for your wife.
Yep. Oh, he on point tonight.
Yes, he is, right?
Everybody have to go start book me for promoting business.
Anyways.
Because me I write to my genius.
I would like to get back to the shroom story. The chat is asking.
Okay, for real.
Like, yeah. You got jokes, huh? Anyways.
You got on drugs.
Anyway.
I was born.
Shouts out to the jorts, yo. Good.
In a little tear.
I don't do drugs.
Yeah, look like
but
you do
I'm
the
very. I've been trying to. I don't want to say try to peer pressure.
Take your time with the word.
Yeah, I don't want to say peer pressure, but I've been told that.
Why are you talking like it hurts?
No, I'm trying. I don't know.
Just let him go.
No, that
finished. We had to.
No, he is on. That was funny.
Yo, he's.
I didn't want to say like that.
You doing like the words is painful.
Like he has to really focus on enunciating his
It's like
words.
he's
It's
reliving
crazy.
it while he's.
Sorry, bro. Sorry. My bad, bro. My bad. I'm done. I'm sorry.
Let me
I'm not
go.
about to say
Let me
nothing. I'm
go,
done.
bro.
I'm sorry. I'm done.
All right.
Yo.
All right. I don't want to say I've been offered shrooms.
Bro, it's okay. You're a grown ass man. You've been offered shrooms before, but go ahead, continue. I offered you shrooms, so go ahead.
All right.
Continue.
All right. Well,
I never met them when that happened.
All right. It's not an offering
Neither,
part.
neither.
I'm just saying when it's been described, it's as you say. All y'all say is that you just want to make sure whatever state you're in, it's gonna heighten that.
Correct.
You know, so
shrooms are very much a heightener. So it's very what they do is they allow you to. It's more of a detailed look at things.
I'm intrigued.
He don't need no more heightener. So suspense happening.
No, because I'm getting somewhere with this. Because you kind of said something about it a little earlier. I'm about to ask you a question.
Emotions. So
I'm gonna ask you a
me
question.
myself, even for you, Bucky, I'll be honest with you. So my experience with shrooms.
Yeah.
I am a very outspoken person. Like I talk. I talk just like you. I can talk to any crowd, anybody.
No.
When I'm on shrooms, I draw back a lot more. It's like I'm the opposite version of myself. So I experienced anxiety for the first time. I feel like I never experienced anxiety.
Okay.
Personally, that's what I always felt like. I always thought it was some fake shit that people just made up and everything.
Yeah.
My first time doing shrooms, I felt like I actually was able to pinpoint like, oh, damn,
you were aware of certain shit.
I'm more aware. Like I'm actually experiencing some type of anxiety. Like I was nervous about things, and I could pinpoint like I was actually nervous about stuff. But it wasn't a bad feeling. It was just like, damn, bro. Like it's like you're learning something about yourself. You're learning something more about yourself and everything.
Okay.
So it does heighten it, but it's also, I feel like you as a weed smoker, as a avid weed smoker, you'll be able to differentiate that. Like you'll be able to.
It's not gonna catch you off guard.
Exactly.
You're gonna be like, whoa.
You're not gonna be like, whoa, it just goes too crazy off. You're gonna be like, oh shit, all right, yeah. That's
then it might make him shut up.
It might,
because he got his opposite too. So hey, you never know. But you said something earlier a little bit about ADHD.
Correct.
I kind of self-diagnosed, you know.
I diagnosed myself, bro.
A little bit. So I'm just saying, when it comes on to
it doesn't help it at all.
Okay.
Yeah, ADHD runs wild.
Cause I've what's this deal with this what's the
I'm already off of this conversation.
That's how
much it runs wild.
Again?
Ooh.
What Adderall? What's the deal with Adderall?
Adderall lock you in.
Whoa.
That's the difference.
What's his name?
Adderall will lock you in.
Like it was a person?
No, like
what's the deal with that dude with Adderall?
Yeah, no, he used
Adderall.
That's the only person I knew took Adderall.
Who?
Dude that we worked with.
Huh?
A lot of people take Adderall.
The young boy, not Postman.
Not
yes.
Now you don't know where that.
Not
so
Adderall.
Anyways,
I'll be fair. Yeah. So Adderall is like the modern day Ritalin.
You are stupid.
I don't know if you just remember from school when niggas used to take Ritalin. When they like the ADHD used to give the kids Ritalin. That's what Adderall is nowadays. It's the modern day Ritalin.
Ritalin. What is that?
No, all right. So.
Go ahead, break it down. For something they should have gave you.
I don't know.
You know what I
something
feel like?
that
You know what I feel like the perfect one for him is? Ayahuasca.
No, it's not.
I don't know what that is.
No, it is not.
I don't even know what that is.
No, it is not. That boy will be next. No,
I feel like that.
You look it up
The
and then we talk about
only thing we can't say people, we can't like.
If y'all don't know what
These
ayahuasca is, check
diagnostics,
it
we
out.
can't say, alright, makes sense. Like hyperactive. I experienced somebody that's hyperactive before. Like, if them
So,
drink too much sweet,
I've
they
experienced kids,
literally
even
have
kids.
too much. Like, you gotta really strap them down type shit. Exaggerating type.
So
you know?
Adderall helps you lock in. If anything, Adderall will help you lock into it. So students take Adderall a lot. A lot of students will take Adderall because
it's a college drug.
Yeah, so because they can study, they'll be able to lock in and study or something, or they'll be able also.
What do you mean lock in?
Lock in. Focus.
Finish the task. You're not gonna get up and do a million
the
things.
flip side to Adderall, another reason why it's a huge college thing is because you could drink unlimited with it. You don't feel shit. you gonna be drinking, not feeling nothing.
Oh nah, that ain't good.
That's another reason why college kids take it.
So when do you feel that effect? After that shit we're over,
You
something
don't
like
feel that shit, son. You ain't
that's
gonna feel that
crazy.
shit, son. And it's weird, honestly.
This is all for educational purposes only.
Yeah,
I know what you guys.
Lots of people told me.
Yeah. We're not doctors. Do not do none of this shit at home.
No, I mean, I'm a doctor. So
Yes, sir.
nah, unless it's prescribed by an actual doctor, do not. I definitely recommend do not doing it. Unless you're trying to party.
But you know what? You know what? We have to take time
man.
sound like white people. Let's bring it back.
Anyway, that's
You know I love my white people.
anyway, sir. Oh my God.
Make sure that if you are doing any of those drugs that they are prescribed by a physician, and that they are
street pharmacists.
Yeah, that they are not from a street pharmacist. That Fetty Wap is crazy out here nowadays.
Oh shit.
And
the names.
and that shit, dude. That and that's being dead serious, yo. Because I know a lot of people who unalive because of Fetty, because of that Fetty. So be careful with that street shit. Stick to the prescription if you're gonna do anything.
Yeah, know who you know. I know where you grow.
That's a fact.
Yeah. So anyway, moving forward, ladies, how y'all doing?
It is in my
So let's talk about
swell.
I can't tell.
Respect that.
Right.
Swell.
Bars.
The bee's knees.
So let's talk about Bucky's outfit, because I don't got shit else. Shut up, nigga, because you still got on a fucking
No, shut up.
ass
I was
shirt.
thinking about his fit, but you don't want to start. You don't want to start.
You got
boy.
a childish ass shirt on.
Boy.
You should give him your shirt, because the blue dinosaur go with his
Nah,
pants.
I was gonna say my shirt.
You wore that outside?
Huh?
You wore that to an event?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Boy, you would wear that 20 minutes. The crazy part.
First of all,
this is that you would wear that 20 minutes. Let's not do this, yo. I'm way too wide. You got, hold on. But you started it, yo. You got that?
Hold on. Listen where I took. I didn't though. But you did.
The
No,
fact
I
that
would.
you would is
I
crazy.
probably would.
It's pretty
But
close. You came close, bro.
I didn't. I would never.
You can't. You would never, bro. We went to a wedding and you had a shiesty on with a full text.
I did though. But I smell good.
He said, but I smell
And that's how you came to the baby christening too?
Yeah.
And I smell good.
This nigga's attire.
This nigga said,
This
and I
nigga is
smell
dressed
good.
up right now.
And I
son,
smell
like
good.
chat. Y'all
And
know
right
this
now-
nigga dressed up. He dressed up.
No.
And guess what? Right
We're
now,
not
I
gonna do
smell
that. We're
good.
not gonna do that.
Man.
We're not gonna do that to my friend. Let's speak true.
Just saying.
When my
nigga-
friend,
that
hey,
nigga-
let me tell you.
That nigga might smell good,
When
but
my
this nigga's
When
dressed
my
up
friend,
right now.
let me tell you. When my friend,
He might go to church on Sunday with this shit on, son. Let's be honest.
when
The
my
Lord
when
say
my
fall
friend
as
get
it-
when
as
my
it
friend
can.
get pay and clean for 3 months straight. Every weekend a new outfit.
Yep.
Every
George going crazy.
Every
huh?
shoe is white.
George going crazy.
Me I tell you, man.
Yeah, I
I
actually
got
wash
6
my
new
shoes
pairs
when I
of
get
Jordans.
paid.
So
I ain't gonna lie.
me not act like my friend. So me not say my friend that clothes in there, but why
My
you
only
wear the
rich
clothes that we
my
fit?
only clean Paris now. Because I'm a working man. Listen, I'm going to work and I'm supposed to be in bed. I work too much. I'm a working man, okay? So if I'm at work, me I go wear me yard clothes. Cause if me get a car right now, fairly, pause, I'm out. Right now. Tools in the truck. Come on now, I'm out, bro. Come on now. The truck, no. I got the shiesty in the truck, ready to go. If I get a call right now, I'm out.
So what if they have you come fix a pipe? You think that's
Like, what do you
appropriate
need the
pants?
shiesty for?
Bro, what do I need? What's my? Let's talk about it. What is other than being professional?
What's going on now?
All right, other than being professional, if you call me last minute, you know that. All right, on a regular day, if I'm scheduled, I'm uniformed out, and I'm coming to your house and I'm doing a great job. What is if you call me last minute and I show up in this?
Bro,
and
I
you
don't
know,
even know what you dressed to do
What
right
are
now.
we talking about?
my work gonna speak for itself.
That is
What I'm
not-
trying to say.
Why are we calling you last minute? Like,
No,
what's going on?
if I get a job
Yo,
right now, he trying to say
here,
I can't do it because of how I'm dressed.
Just go take this and stand at 390. Because you got me fucked up. You got me fucked up.
Yo, get this guy out of here.
Yo, you know what's crazy? Some of them motherfuckers richer than me and you right now.
That's a fact. No, that's a
Let's
whole
talk
fact.
about that.
We don't got
We don't
to.
talk about
We don't
it
need
right
to. We don't need to.
Yeah.
We're on the show kind of over course, but we did what our Vibz say.
You was talking to the ladies, man. You got a question for the ladies.
No, Bucky, they like Bucky. We're in Caprice because they probably want to buy some.
Yo, this nigga got my toes pushing out it. Oh my god.
Yeah, y'all wear that shit still, right?
This guy is something else.
I got my slides in the truck too, man.
Yeah, people. So like I said,
the Caprice is
this
crazy.
has been another fun episode.
Nah, my nigga, his socks match though. So I ain't mad at him, yo. This greens might not match, but his socks match, so it's cool. The red and gray socks hit.
Yeah.
So yeah, man. I wrap up this, you know.
We wrapping up. So what's up, man? Y'all done? Y'all gotta go somewhere?
Yeah.
Where we going?
Y'all gotta go somewhere. Where we going? It's lit. I love that.
Yes. Energy. So I hit Jolie. Shout out to Jolie. I'm
Jolie have an
Jolie
appointment.
Yeah. So.
Damn.
You know what the crazy part is? You know what the crazy part is? This nigga that said he's supposed to leave an hour ago.
I said an hour. We started
What's up?
at 10:30.
We want Jolie, man. Y'all niggas ain't talking about shit, man. What's up?
So yeah, man.
I have until 11:30.
Wait, I always say tomorrow night, California Brew House.
We all say.
Yes, sir.
Nipples.
You don't know?
Oh, the nipples join us. That's tomorrow?
Yeah.
Damn. Yes, sir.
Right? So y'all outside for real, y'all just like, cause chat, they be lying.
Nah, it be nipples out of that shit, yo.
They be lying. They don't be outside.
What number is this, yo?
Especially
this is like 4?
So are you actually
First
outside?
was cleavage. And now it's nipples.
Yeah, I heard that.
Yeah, but they did the nipples last year too, didn't they?
I'm not sure.
I don't think
thought
so.
It was. Yeah.
This part few, if anything,
Yeah.
ain't it?
Yeah.
Cause they did the cleavage, then they did the nipples.
And I think the next one gonna be areolas. I don't know.
Support. I'm here for the support.
Mm-hmm. All right. So anyway, people, this your boy Gallus J.
Not the sour.
I'm gonna need themselves there.
I mean, ladies, yo, no signing out.
This is Gianna. I thought Bucky was talking.
He tried. That's it.
That was it. The chat heard me. I love y'all chat.
Yeah, and this is another exclusive episode of Vibz Friday. We do every Friday I go on with our Vibz. But please do remember, out of any Fridays, please, guys, next week Friday, like I said, we have a special episode for you. We got the Ignite Reggae Band, and they're gonna be on set with us live.
I feel like you underselling it, man. You gotta be big with that shit, man.
Bro,
we on some Tonight Show vibes next week.
Yeah,
man.
I mean, we got our own roots, man.
Right. We got the roots. We got our own band
Roots
with us,
for real.
man. For real, man. Like it's.
Yeah, Uncle Skill, Auntie Joe, shout out to y'all. I love y'all, man.
Thank you, appreciate y'all.
Yeah, the whole
look out for it. We gonna be on tour with them. If anything, we might as well say.
We never did want to say it till next week still, but
my fault.
Yeah, we Livevybz going on tour this summer. That's all.
I can't hold water, so it's.
You know what else can't hold water? That nigga pant leg.
Because it flooded.
Like I said, people, we're tuning out, and this is the After Vibe. This is your boy Gallus J.
I love you, buddy.
Do remember to subscribe, share it with a friend, and tell her if you tell her next friend, right? And you see when you tell the next friend, what if you tell her, say? Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Livevybz TV, right?
Yo, we need that sub. We need one more subscriber. Real quick. Tell a friend. I love y'all, chat. Appreciate y'all for showing up.
I'm like, deja vu. Know that this happened already, but this is like it's a new experience, and I think it's very extraordinary. Yeah, like mostly nasty, yeah, so clean and decent, but she really nasty, yeah, black straight in graphics, yeah, she love trees and jeans, she's such a freak, yeah, she don't even she love big bodies, from long till I'm on in, but I just sweat like say.
And don't forget to tune in tomorrow No, not tomorrow. I mean Sunday, 2 p.m. Gallus and the Baddies. This Sunday, Man of the Month, we have a special guest passing through. Do remember to tune in.
She's such a bitch. She loves sucking dick. She eat your kids, and if you got money, I'll love when your bones from my dick. So you do it like a porn-star bitch. She steal your interest, make a whole profit. Pretty like flowers, she a boy. You know pussy in the hours, she no call. Why not give me power? Be a fucker, well you be a dance cover, you no stay sour. Your pussy slippery like shower, yeah shower. Where you be a skin cover with the shea butter. In a big like Noah. Keep the pussy well tight like a day you bar. Send a video and I play with it. Finger up in a pussy and I play skitty. When me cocky get stiffer than a safe fitty. And if you never share pussy, share pretty. Tight and pretty, pretty. Tight and lily, lily. Say I love skilly, skilly. Skin it out when you see me. Your pussy pretty like flowers. She a boss. You my pussy in the hours. She no call. Wine and give me power. Be a fucker. Tell you be a dance cover. You no stay sour. Your pussy pretty like shower. Where you be a skin cover with the shea butter. One time, no say energy up. Swear up on my life, say you alone sexy so. I wanna stay with you, yeah. I wanna stay till the room and time empty out. Try don't let me go. Don't fall on the government and sell me out, baby. I'm by your side, love handles. I won't lie, I said love that pussy. It's so tight, I bust my body.
Let's talk drugs.
Make up sex when we fight. Make up sex when we fight. Yes, so you're taken. Need you for myself, yeah. Say you're taken. Me never expect you to say nothing else. Why the fuck you have to look so good? Them beauty unusual, you sold my soul when I turn around, I'ma see you. I'm so fucking in you. Me a picture you. Stare upon me like that and I lick my hood. But you're taken. You're taken. So fucking sexy. You look so good. Shake for me. You do your hair and your nails lovely. Sexy your body. I want to stitch it up. Tailoring. You said sexy, sexy. You're sexy. Sexy, sexy. Yeah, you're sexy. Beautiful. Very good, man. Rev your vroom, 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 vroom. Your energy, tremendous. How you move your pelvis. Boom, boom. Your pum pum for the palm hood. Have a seat. How you mean? Shake up the place, shake up the place. 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 Yes, you just boom, to dum dum, boom, to dum dum, sexy, dum dum, sexy, dum dum, to dum dum, sexy, dum. Walk in the pussy for me. Yes, you just boom, to dum dum, 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 boom, to dum dum. Walk in the pussy for me. A man she give me faster, woulda give me one son or give me one daughter and a drama. Say she woulda ride me like a yama and a laughter. Say she want a fuck hotter than a sauna. Wish you rubber dub, anyway you rather in a water. Me we cock you up, fuck your pamba and it no matter. Baby girl you call your papa, want to blow you like a farmer with a fucking and a carrier. Boom, do dum dum, boom, do dum dum, boom, do dum dum, boom, do dum dum, boom, do dum dum. Yes she just want from the pussy for me. Yes she just boom, do dum dum, boom, do dum dum, boom, do dum dum, boom, do dum dum. The pussy for me.
She love my style, tell me all the while. She says she have a man, but God know she not like the boy. She want run him way faster, running on my life. She want me for shit the jazz and coming and she just want fling the pussy for me. Yeah, she just want fling the pussy for me. Yeah, she just want fling the pussy for me. Yeah, she just want fling the pussy for me. Yeah, she just boom, 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 yeah, she just want fling the pussy for me. Yeah, she just boom, 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 boom.